with your Firewalla Wi-Fi. WPA3-Enterprise is the most secure Wi-Fi option available. It provides stronger WPA3 encryption and protection against password guessing attacks and forward secrecy so that past traffic can't be decrypted even if a password is compromised. Unlike non-enterprise Wi-Fi, users can use their name and password to sign in to the same Wi-Fi SSID and get automatically identified and managed by the Firewalla Users feature. WPA3 Enterprise is more likely to be supported by more complex devices like iPhones, Android devices, or laptop computers. Let's get started. On the Firewalla app, go to your box's main screen. Tap Wi-Fi, then tap Create Wi-Fi. Enter a Wi-Fi name and password. Select the network you'd like to broadcast on, then tap Create. Once it's created, tap into the new SSID from the Wi-Fi page and tap Edit. Under Advanced Settings, tap Security and choose WPA3 Enterprise. Finally, tap Save. Now, let's set up usernames and passwords so devices can connect. From your Enterprise Wi-Fi screen, tap Manage Users. Select a user, then scroll to Username and Password and tap Generate Password. You can customize the username or password if you want, then tap Save. You're now ready to connect to Wi-Fi. On your device, open your Wi-Fi settings and select your new Firewalla Wi-Fi. Enter your username and password. Make sure to trust the Firewalla certificate to finish connecting. Once connected, you'll see your device automatically assigned to the user you configured earlier. Any flows triggered by the device will be shown under this user, and it'll be controlled by any rules applied to the user. That's it. Connect all your devices to your new enterprise Wi-Fi and enjoy the peace of mind of a more secure Wi-Fi network. If you have feedback or ideas, feel free to reach out. Happy networking!